Hello everyone, welcome back. In this new video I'm going to show you how you can make fast your slower PC within two simple steps. For this you don't have to upgrade your PC hardware wise. You don't have to put nothing else inside same PC, just you have to follow two simple steps I'm going to do in front of you, and after that you will see much better result than before. First of all, you have to see, if I open my computer, this PC, how fast is it opening, and after our steps then you will see the difference. Now you can see here, when I double click, okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to the computer and right click there and click properties, and then you have to go advanced system setting. Here you have to go to the first setting, performance. Then here you see I already choose Windows, choose best for this computer. Windows choose whose default setting, but we are not getting best result with the default setting. What we have to do, we have to uncheck this all options. Okay, click apply. Okay, then we are going to check now what is the result. As you can see, this box also showing, when you right click you can see the difference than before, how fast is coming. Second, when we double click on the computer, we will see the much difference than before. You see, is really much better than before, but we get two small problems. What's the problem? This one, you see, the writing is not very visible, so we have to make it dark like was normal. And second, suppose when you open photos, is not showing you the display. Okay, so you have to go back again, properties, advanced system settings, first setting. Then you have to, what you have to do, first of all I'm going to show you in front of you, same like this new folder. Here is photos, not coming automatically in thumbnails, so you have to on one option here, show thumbnails. Okay, click apply. You can see photos are showing automatically the previews. Second option for the writing. Okay, this writing, like you can see here, it's not very visible, so you have to select here smooth edges of the screen fonts. When you click here, you see the difference now. Click OK. When you open now the computer, you can see the writing now is better. Okay, alright, that was one step, and second step to make your PC faster I'm going to do in front of you now. So you have to go same place, properties, advanced system setting. Now you have to go down, third setting place, startup and recovery. Okay, click here, and here you can see time to display list of operating system. Your Windows start time, so 30 second. Here you can select here 1 second, or 0 you can select. It will be load your Windows much faster than before. Okay, first of all you have to see here, when you right click and you see here the options, some are inside like this one and here. So if you move like this cursor fastly, you cannot get the options from in. Understand? You just have to bring cursor there, and you have to wait a little bit, and then it will show you automatically the options from inside. You see? Okay, if you do like this faster, you are fast, but PC is not fast. Okay, so how we can make faster also PC? Just very simple. You have to go to the start, and you have to write one command, regedit, registry editor. This one you can find also in my computer. You go to C and Windows. Here you can find also, when you go to down here, this is regedit. Key current user, control panel, desktop. Okay, from here you have to go to first menu, show delay. Okay, here is already default setting for all windows. They set 400. You have to select here 10. You can select, or you can select 1 2 3 4 as you like. Okay, 10. If you select 10, then you have to see here drag full windows. When you click here, drag full windows is already 0. I did, but here before was 1, so this one is like start windows speed. Okay, and then if you have Windows 7, then here will be in W tab written wait talk up time, so that one you have to select also 1 or 510. Already will be maybe 4000. And in Windows 7 also show here in H place. Here don't have H place, but Windows 7 they show hung up timeout, that your computer hang time. Default is 5000. You have to set there also the 1 or 10 or 100 you can set. Okay, after this simple steps, you have to close just, and then you have to go to the sign out. You have to sign out your PC, and or you have to log off, then we will see the reaction. Okay, alright guys, after sign out I click sign in, and now I'm going to check what is difference. Okay, when you click right click here, you just have to do same whose you was doing before, and you can see now the difference. Before we was bringing cursor and we have to wait, then options come, but now we can move faster, and the computer is more faster than our hand. You see, I'm doing very fast, even then it's very fast doing reaction. All options, not only here, whole PC will be faster, not only these options. Okay, when you will open a software, any software, there also have a few options inside like this, so then it will show you also with the same speed. One little bit tip also I can give you. You have to go the task manager, just write here task, then you have to go to the startup. This tip also will help you to make faster your PC when you power on. When you start up your PC and you see that your PC bring desktop late, and after desktop is need more time to load all applications, just because that many applications have to on in the startup. So what you have to do, you can close data applications that must not run on a Windows startup, so that one you can close in the task manager. Okay, this task manager you can get also when you click 3 button together, alt control and delete. Then you have to click on task manager, it will show you same task manager box. Okay, so just you have to go to here startup, and then you have to see that these applications all running in the back of the PC. Okay, so these applications taking the performance and speed also PC from PC. So if you want to see, you just click here and you see these applications are running. Some application, okay, like this is Windows applications that must have to run, like sound setting and the other like security setting or download manager. If you want to download something, okay, then you can on, otherwise you don't have to on. And this one is the graphic card driver, so these applications must have to on, but all other applications these are not usable. I'm not using too much, so like this 5K player, just have to click who you want to stop, that it will not disturb you when you on the PC and your PC need more time to load these applications. Okay, so just you have to right click and disable here, click disable who you want to, like this one printer I'm not using anymore, so disable I can do, this one I can do disable, and like more application you can check, is your choice. Okay, so after then you have to restart PC and you will see the application that will not show here. Next, when you disable, and your PC will run quickly, will load desktop quickly than before, faster than before. Okay, so this was one tip also I add for you, that you can enjoy with your best PC setting and performance. I hope you will like this video. Please don't forget to hit subscribe button and share our videos with others. See you next time. If you have any question, please ask always in comments. We will try our best to give you a reply as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Keep in touch. See you next time. Bye bye.